Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see exercise 4.2. Okay, see first problem. Observe the given figure and write any two linear pair of angles. So ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన ఫిగర్ ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేసి లీనియర్ పెయిర్ యాంగిల్స్ ని ఏవైనా రెండు పెయిర్స్ రాయమన్నారు. ఓకే, సో ద పాసిబుల్ పెయిర్స్ ఐ విల్ టెల్. దీంట్లోంచి ఎనీ టూ యూ కెన్ రైట్. ఓకే, వీటిలో నుంచి ఏవైనా రెండు పెయిర్స్ మీరు రాయొచ్చు. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, వాట్ ఈస్ లీనియర్ పెయిర్? ద పెయిర్ ఆఫ్ యాంగిల్స్ విచ్ ఫార్మ్ ఏ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్. స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ ఫార్మ్ చేసే పెయిర్ అన్నమాట. సినా KOQ, this angle and this angle are forming this KP line, na? So we can say linear pair. So angle KOQ, angle QOP. Okay, next see angle KOQ and angle KOL. This KOQ and KOL, these two angles are forming a line LQ, right? So angle KOQ and angle KOL. Okay, so next observe this KOL and LOP, this total angle KOL and LOP. Again they are forming KP line. So angle KOL, angle LOP. Next angle, see here, angle QOP and LOP. These two angles are forming LP line. Okay, so angle QOP, angle LOP. And we can write more angles also. See, angle KOM. This is one angle KOM. And what is the remaining angle? MOP. Those two are forming a straight line. See, KOM, this angle and this angle. So angle KOM, angle MOP. Okay, and still we can write more angles, and that one angle I think we can write. See, QOM and MOL. QOM, that means this angle and this, they are forming PL line, na? So angle QOM, angle LOM. So any two from this you can write. So totally these are the possible linear pair of angles. Second problem, draw a pair of adjacent angles which are complementary to each other. So complementary means the sum of two angles must be 90 degrees, right? So two angles ni add cheste 90 vachelaga undaలి. This, so just say 40 degrees and 50 degrees. So 50 degrees plus 40 degrees is equal to 90. So they are complementary. Okay, so like this you can draw. Okay, now, and you can draw 10 degrees, 80 degrees also, 45, 45 also you can draw. Okay, so next, third one, draw a pair of adjacent angles which are supplementary to each other. Supplementary means the sum of two angles must be 180 degrees. Okay, So supplementary 180 degrees. So 30 degrees, 150 degrees. So we can say these are supplementary. Angle AOP plus angle DOC equals to 180. So they are supplementary. Okay. Next, fourth problem. Give any two examples of adjacent angles in your surroundings. So just like in the introduction of adjacent angles, you can write many examples. Fan, bullock cart wheel, clock, and lemon piece. Okay. So like this, you can give examples to adjacent angles. Next, fifth problem. Observe the figure and write the adjacent angles. So ఇక్కడ figure ని మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా, ఈ figure లో ఉన్న adjacent angles ని మనం రాయాలి. So adjacent angle means the two angles must have a common vertex and common arm, and the two angles must lie on either side of the common arm. Right? So here in the picture, just observe AOC and the COB. AOC and COB. They both are having OC as a common arm, right? And O as vertex. So we can write adjacent angles. So first one, angle AOC, angle COD. Next we can write COB also, na? AOC and COB also. OC is a common arm. Angle AOC, angle COB. Now, so next we can write COD and DOB. Right? So they both are having common arm as OD. Angle COD and angle ODB. Still we can write one more, I think. See, now AOD and DOB. AOD and angle DOB. So common arm is OD and common vertex O. So like this we can write adjacent angles. Adjacent angle means common arm and common vertex. Common arm ki rendu వైపులా ఉండాలి angles. అది కరెక్ట్ గా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. Okay. So next, sixth problem. Is it possible for the following pair of angles to form a linear pair? If yes, draw them. If not, give reason. Okay. So first pair here, 120 degrees, comma 160 degrees. So these two angles form a linear pair or not? Yeah. If we add, the sum is 180. Okay. So they can form a linear pair. 60 degrees, 120 degrees. Right. So linear pair. Next, in the second, they are giving 98 degrees, 102 degrees. So if we add 98 plus 102, how much it is? 200, na? So 200 degrees we are getting. So 200 is greater than 180. So sum of two angles 180. Like line form అవ్వాలి అంటే straight angle 180 నే కదా. So but ఇక్కడ 200 ఉంది, more than 180 ఉంది. So they are not linear pair. They are not linear pair. Seventh problem. Draw the following angles as a linear pair. Write the straight line and common arm. So ఇక్కడ మనకి two figures ఇచ్చారు కదా. So we have to write these as a linear pair. So angle AOB plus angle AOC is equal to AOB 100 degrees and AOC 80. So their sum is 180. So we can draw them as a linear pair. So 80 degrees and this is 100 degrees. Okay. So common arm is here OA. Okay, here B. So AOB 100 degrees, AOC 80 degrees. Okay, so like this you can draw. So BC is a straight line and OA is a common arm. Okay. Eighth problem. In the given figure, AB is a straight line, O is a point on AB. Find the value of X. So here AB a line and O is a point on that line. Okay. So we want to find out the X value. So from the figure, we can write angle AOC plus angle COB. They are forming a straight line, right? So they are linear pair. So what is angle AOC? 2x plus 30. And what is angle COB? X degrees. So 2x plus x. 2x terms unnai already. Okay, x nu kalpite 3x plus 30 is equal to 180. So 3x. So if we transpose, ఇక్కడ మనం x value find out చేయాలి. So x కాకుండా మిగతా numbers అన్నిటిని మనం right side transpose చేయాలి. So if we transpose plus 30 to right side, it will be minus. So 180 minus 30, 150 degrees. So here 3x means 3 into x. That is under multiplication. So when we transpose, it comes under division. So 3 5s are 15. So finally, what is the value of x here? X is equal to 50 degrees. They ask us to find out the x value and we calculate it. Next, last problem of this exercise, 9th problem. Teacher asked student to check whether 40 degrees and 140 degrees form a linear pair or not by drawing angles. The students have drawn as follows. Who will get correct answer? So here 3 students are there. Rahim, Mary and Roshita. So these 3 students draw linear pair 140 degrees and 40 degrees just like this. Now the question, who is correct? Every correct ga draw chesaru ani. Okay. So see, linear pair means the 2 angles must be adjacent and they must form a straight line. Okay. See here, Rahim, here angle BOC is 40 and angle AOB 140. They are not adjacent first and they are not forming a straight line. So Rahim is wrong. Okay. And coming to the Mary, here also angle COD, total angle 140 and this angle BOC 40 degrees. They are also not adjacent angles. Yes, they are adjacent angles, but they are not forming a straight line. Okay, so they are not linear pair. So Mary answer also not correct. It is wrong. Coming to Roshita, here 140 degrees and 40 degrees. Sum is 180. These two are adjacent. AOZ and ZOY are adjacent and they are forming a line. So these are linear pair. So finally Roshita is correct. So we can write explanation. So the same we wrote. Okay. So simply you can write Roshita is correct also. But if you write like this, it will be very good. Okay. So this is our exercise 4.2. So students, Please like this video and please share with your friends and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.